What if I told you that there are no problems? That your life is not what you really think it is, and that you are not who you really think you are. And this video is going to help you to release any unwanted situations, any problems from your life, and adopt a new reality and start living it now. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you like this content, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for me. If you would like to work with me, that information is in the description box below for you. In a sense, your life is exactly what you think it is. Because whatever you think about something, whatever you think about yourself or your life becomes your truth. You activate that truth. You activate that reality for yourself. But it's also not at all what you think it is, because you can just as easily activate something else that you want, and that'll be your truth. Whatever you're living right now is because you chose it and you practiced it. You put your attention on it and you activated it. Because everything exists. All thoughts, all beliefs, all realities, all different things, experiences, manifestations, everything exists. But what are you choosing? What are you choosing to activate? Because whatever you're choosing to activate and give attention to is what is going to become your truth, your reality. And so as you've been focusing on and choosing to perceive problems and to activate them, to focus on the thoughts about them, the stories, practice the emotions, then those problems, those unwanted things are what shows up for you. But if you are to make new choices and you're to choose better feeling thoughts, different thoughts, you're choosing to practice something else, new emotions. Now different things show up and become your truth, become your experience. And then the problems are not in your experience because you activated something else. So whatever it is that you're wanting to manifest, you need to realize that you are already it. It is within you. It's within you and it's all around you right now. So what are you choosing? What are you choosing to give attention to? What are you activating? What are you keeping active within you? Because, when you keep choosing to see yourself as not good enough or, not successful or not attractive or, sick, whatever it is, you're choosing to see yourself as that over and over and over. That's what replays. It's like you're writing a script for a movie and you keep writing that and writing that and writing that. And so it just keeps showing up on the movie screen. And what you need to do is the problems resolve themselves. The problems resolve themselves when you look elsewhere. When you focus and give attention and so that give power to something else. And here's what I want you to know is you can never run away from something that you don't want. You can never run away from it. You can never get rid of it, because in that vibration of I'm running from this thing I don't like, I need to get to somewhere better that feels better, some manifestation that feels better, you just took that vibration with you. You did not move anywhere. So it doesn't matter if you go to a new job, a new relationship, a new business idea, whatever it is, you just took the same vibration with you. And so you're going to have the same kind of feeling experiences. There's a massive distinction between running from something you don't like and trying to get to something that feels better and just choosing something else. Getting into alignment, feeling better, practicing new thoughts, practicing better feeling emotions, really practicing something else, looking somewhere else for a while. Not looking at this for a while, disregarding it a little bit, right? Self-soothing when you need to, but disregarding and looking somewhere else. You're getting into alignment, you're raising your frequency. And so from there, when you choose something else, it's different. If you choose to leave the relationship, if you choose the new job or the new business idea from that place, it's successful. It's a success no matter what it is, okay? But if you're going after something and trying to manifest something because you're trying to run away from a problem. You can't handle it anymore. I can't handle this problem. I hate how this feels. Let's do something to manifest it away. Let's do something to fix this. You don't move anywhere. You're in the same vibration. But what I really want you to hear is there are really no problems. What I have realized recently is that there are no problems because as soon as I look over here and I make a new choice, the problem doesn't exist. There is no problem. There is only my perception and my attention to something, and my world, my life, my relationships, my body will be whatever I perceive it to be. Wherever I'm placing my attention is who I am in the moment. It's who I am. Even if I'm placing attention on a thought of I'm not good enough or I'm not worthy or whatever the thought is, I feel insecure. As I give my attention to that thought, I am it. As I give attention to things in my life, that is my life. But as soon as I give attention to something else, that is me. And that is my life. And also what I want you to know is that who you think you are and all the things that you feel like are negative, that need to be changed, that need to be released and lifted from you, it's not you. They're all perceptions. They're all perceptions that you and thoughts that you gave enough attention to think that it's part of your identity. It's not you. You can choose something else. You can choose it right now, and then that is you. So I want to give you 5 quick steps to help you to shift from feeling like there are so many problems to experiencing the opposite of that, to manifesting the solutions and realizing that they're right here, right now. You just need to activate them. Step number 1 is to make this not a big deal. So whatever the situation is, if you don't make it a big deal in how you feel and how you react to it, the law of attraction is responding to your reaction, to your emotions. And so if you make it feel like this is actually not such a big deal, then it's not a big deal. It's not a big problem. And you'll realize after a little bit of time that it's no longer in your experience. So you could say things such as, it's not such a big deal because it's actually good, because it's actually helpful. This situation is actually helpful because, or it benefits me in this way or that way. There's no urgency about this because, and just shift your perception about this actually being a problem and realize that on the other side of this is something incredible. Step number 2 is begin to reject what you're currently living as your reality, which means not feeding it as much, which means not giving it as much attention, not staying in those reactions as long, which means you are rejecting it as your reality right now. You're letting it be what it is, but you're realizing that it's temporary, that it's just something that you practiced and that you activated, but it's not even really real. Anything can be real. Anything can be your truth, and start to give it less attention, which tells the universe that this is no longer part of your experience or your reality. Number 3 is to disempower the story behind it. So whatever this unwanted experience is, or maybe it's a pattern or belief within your mind that you're wanting to shift and you see as a problem, there's usually always a story behind it. Like there's a story of why it's happening, or how it relates to you, or how it makes you feel not good enough, or the reason why it's happened is because I'm not good, or because I'm not good enough, or because of this, or because of that. Whatever the story is there, the narrative that you're practicing, begin to take its power away by, if you realize that you're practicing it, that you're thinking about it, or you're speaking it, to challenge it with why it is actually not true or it's irrelevant. Number 4 is choose to accept that it is done and let go of trying. Give yourself permission to stop trying, to stop fixing, to stop actively worrying about this. Only you can do that. You need to give yourself permission to let this go, give it a rest, and give it over to the universe. Accept that it is done. And step number 5 is to ask yourself, if this was done, what would I do? Or as this is already done, what would I do now? This helps you to start living from that reality, to start thinking, feeling, or acting from the end result. Knowing that it's done, what would I now do? And follow through. Start to think differently and make new choices. Make different things active. You have to begin to step outside of your comfort zone of what you normally do, how you normally respond, how you normally think and feel and act. The habits that are keeping you stuck, you need to start to break out of those and adopt a new identity. And only you can make the choice to do that. And when you do, everything changes. Now different things show up in your reality. And those problems, you'll realize, were not really there. They were just temporarily activated by your thoughts and emotions, your patterns, but they're temporary. Okay, I hope this video has helped you. If it did, let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you would like to work with me, that information's in the description box below for you. Have an amazing day and I'll see you next time.